Turning setbacks into comebacks. The power of resilience. Life isn't a straight road. It's full of twists, turns, and setbacks. But what if I told you that every setback is an opportunity to rise stronger? Welcome to Motivational Inform, where we transform obstacles into stepping stones. Today, we're diving into the power of resilience, how to turn setbacks into comebacks and build an unshakable mindset. Did you know that some of the most successful people faced massive failures? Oprah was fired from her first TV job. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. The difference? Resilience. Stick around, because I'm going to share a simple, step-by-step strategy to harness resilience and thrive in the face of challenges. Section 1. What is resilience? Resilience is the ability to bounce back after a setback. It's not about avoiding failure. It's about how you respond to it. Think of resilience like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And the best part? Anyone can build it. Section 2. Embrace the setback. The first step to turning a setback into a comeback is acceptance. Don't fight reality. Acknowledge what happened. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? When you shift your mindset from why me to what's next, зрение вы начинаете принимать контроль. Section 3. Reframe your mindset. Every challenge hides a lesson. Reframe your setbacks as stepping stones. Thomas Edison famously said, "I haven't failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Resilient people see setbacks as part of the journey, not the end of the road. Section 4. Take small, consistent steps. Comebacks aren't about giant leaps. They're about small, consistent steps. Start by setting a small, achievable goal. Celebrate each win, no matter how small. Progress builds momentum, and momentum fuels your comeback. Section 5. Build a support system. Resilience isn't a solo journey. Surround yourself with people who believe in you. Share your goals and challenges. A strong support system provides encouragement and accountability when the road gets tough. Section 6. Stay committed to growth. Setbacks often push us out of our comfort zone, and that's where growth happens. Stay committed to learning, evolving, and growing. Remember, resilience isn't just bouncing back, it's bouncing forward. Call to action. Every setback is a setup for a stronger comeback. Embrace the challenge, reframe your mindset, and take one step at a time. You have the power to turn your story into a testimony of resilience. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Motivational Inform for more life-changing content. Remember, your comeback starts today.